In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in the Brave browser. It's very simple, and you don't need to install any extensions. First, open the Brave browser and go to the web page you want to capture. Next, go to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three lines to open the menu. From here, click on Save and Share, then click on Screenshot. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus S on Windows to open it instantly. Once you click Screenshot, you'll see a few different options. You can capture the visible area, which takes a screenshot of what you currently see on your screen. You can capture the full page, which includes everything on the page, even the parts you need to scroll down to see. Or you can select an area, which lets you manually drag and choose exactly what you want to capture. If you choose Select Area, just click and drag your mouse over the section you want. When you release, Brave will give you the option to copy the image to your clipboard or download it to your computer. That's it. That's how you take a screenshot in the Brave browser quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.